Hi, I'm Ravina. Today we will fix wp-admin blank page error or your WordPress site blank page error. It might be because of a few reasons: problems in your web host, theme-related errors, plugin-related errors, an empty line in your code file, code errors. Log into your cpanel. Go to File Manager. Then Public HTML folder. Then WP Content folder. In WP Content folder, rename plugins and check your wp-admin login. If login page appears, then problem in your plugins. We will check which plugin is causing problem by debugging. If login page does not appear, then problem may be in your theme folder. Rename theme folder and check the wp-admin login. You can see wp-admin page appears. This shows that problem in our theme. First, rename theme and plugins folders to their original names. Now we can find which file is causing problem by enabling debugging in wp-config.php file in public HTML folder. Right-click on wp-config file and edit. Go to define wp-debug and change its value from false to true. Now check the wp-admin page. Here you can see the problem is in inq.php file in incorporated folder. Go to WP Content folder. Then Themes. Most of the time there's an empty line at the end of code. Just remove empty line and save it.